present and my former fellow students. It's an honor for me to want to hand over to the school, present to the school. That is a trophy it's the Jesse Majomi Trophy for Mathematics. And to do so, there's a little history behind it. I brought my teacher, my former teacher who taught me in grade 6, she taught me mathematics, Mrs. Marere, who is here. And I would like there's a citation of the significance of this trophy. This is a trophy of the best student in mathematics, but the best is not defined only by the person who gets the highest marks. The best trophy, the person who will get this trophy is possibly the person who gets the highest marks may get it, but not necessarily. It is also to be awarded to a student who demonstrates good scholarship. And I'm going to ask, when the trophy is handed over, I'm going to ask Mrs. Marere, my teacher, who taught me mathematics. I'm inspired to do this because I was one of the worst students in mathematics. I was, it's very ironic that there's a Jesse Majomi Trophy in mathematics. But because of the support that I got and because of, the determination and the care of my teacher, who is here today, who I asked to come and do this, I also scored a 1 unit in mathematics. So it's to inspire all the girls and boys who are here to want to study mathematics, because if I could get a 1 unit in mathematics, it means everybody can. That is if also the teachers remember that, please don't leave out those students who are slow, because they can also achieve if you support them, if you teach them. So I'm going to, if I may, to ask Mrs. Marere to come forward. My teacher. And so there's a floating trophy, and then there's also a miniature shield for the people who wins this to take this home and keep. But the trophy they can keep it and then they can return it to the school, but this they will be able to keep. Thank you.